Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to unlock a Chevy Equinox with a dead battery. Use the mechanical key from your fob to open the driver door first. If the door is stuck, press the lock cover with a flat tool to reveal the cylinder. Once inside, open the hood and inspect the 12V battery and terminals for corrosion before attempting a jump start or keyless access workaround. Start by removing the mechanical key from the fob and exposing the driver door lock. Gently pry off the lock cover with a flat plastic tool or key blade to avoid damage. Insert the mechanical key into the cylinder and apply steady pressure while turning. Doors may unlock to the left or right depending on trim. Once unlocked, enter and secure the vehicle before addressing the dead battery or calling for roadside help. Quick recommendation and small ad. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help us out. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker is a handy addition for hands-free commands while working on your car and for playing step-by-step audio. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, then make sure to like and subscribe if this helped. Now let's get back to the video. After unlocking, open the hood using the interior latch and prop it safely. Inspect the 12V battery and clean any corrosion from terminals with a brush or cloth. If jump starting, connect positive to positive and negative to a chassis ground on the disabled vehicle. Start the donor vehicle or use a portable pack. Wait a minute, then try starting the Equinox. Once running, disconnect cables in reverse order and let the car idle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.